Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty and a delicious chocolate biscuit cake. To make this biscuit cake, I am using 400 grams of Marie biscuit. You can use any biscuit of your choice, any digestive biscuit. If you have any leftover biscuits at home, you can use that also. Break it up into smaller pieces like this. Then take about 75 grams of unsalted butter in a saucepan. To the butter, add some sugar and cocoa powder. I'm also adding some coffee powder. This will just enhance the flavor of chocolate. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check it out. And then add about half a cup of water. In a small saucepan, take any nuts of your choice. I'm using peanuts. You can use walnuts or almonds also. Dry roast them for 5 minutes in medium flame. Or you can toast the nuts in a microwave or oven. This will make it nice and crunchy. Now take the saucepan and heat it. Keep it in medium flame and keep stirring till the butter melts completely and it becomes a smooth, homogeneous solution like this. Keep stirring often so that none of the ingredients will get burnt or stuck to the bottom of the saucepan. Chop the nuts into smaller pieces and then add it to the biscuits. I'm adding a half a cup of desiccated coconut. This is purely optional. If you have, you can add this. If you don't have, just leave it out. It won't make any difference. Mix everything well together. Now add the chocolate sauce that we made and combine everything together. I'm using a 9 inches springform cake tin. Lightly grease the tin with oil and then add the biscuits little by little and press it nicely. Make sure it's well packed, tightly packed and firm. Then leave this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. In between, we'll make the chocolate ganache to make the top layer. Take some dark chocolate and some fresh cream and melt it in the microwave. Mix it nicely till it's nice and smooth like this. Bring the biscuit cake from the fridge and add the ganache on top of the biscuit cake. Just swirl it around to spread evenly. Let this set in the refrigerator for another 1 hour. After 1 hour, just lightly loosen the sides of the cake tin and then you can remove the biscuit cake. You can cut the cake just like this itself or you can decorate it any which way you want. I just added some sprinkles. Then gently remove the cake from the base and let's cut into it. So a delicious, tasty, fun chocolate biscuit cake is done. Small children will definitely love this cake. If you have a lot of biscuits lying around in your house, you can easily make this cake. It's very simple and very easy to make and an absolute crowd favorite. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.